So we put out lots of videos saying that this is historically going to be the biggest crypto bull run ever. Just think about that. This is our market indicator, also AI. If we just zoom out here, look at how perfectly it's been calling this, right? So the crypto market cap has gone from 2.7 trillion on November 8th, basically pre-election, to now 3.4 trillion. And we expect that the crypto market cap as a whole, our bear case is 8 trillion, base case about 10 trillion, moon case 12 to 14 trillion, maybe even more. But times are changing. For the first time ever, we'll have a pro-crypto Congress and president in the US. This has played a huge factor in really preventing crypto from mooning. And now for the first time, crypto will not be running uphill. It'll be running downhill. If we're getting 100x's before a pro-crypto environment in the US, imagine how easier it will be to get those 100x's in a pro-crypto environment in the US. So now the whole world is flooding into crypto, whether it's Bitcoin ETF, the SEC's gone, Gary Gensler's gone. This is it. This is the moment of our lives. This is what we've all been waiting for. Whether you're brand new in crypto or you've been here for a while, this is the time to build generational wealth. And we know AI is the future. We saw what happened with ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 5 is going to be coming out. Now you have other competitors, whether it's Claude, whether it's Mistral, AI is the future. This is the biggest innovation in technology since smartphones, or maybe even since the internet itself. Just think about that. Nobody knows what the future would look like with AI. People can speculate about what it would look like, but nobody knows. But what we can do is we can monetize, we can capitalize, because people are seeing the intersection of both crypto and AI merging into one. A world with AI agents, AI bots, don't need to transact, don't need to have a form of payment and currency. And crypto is that currency. Crypto is the next iteration of open money. We have open AI and open money. That's crypto and AI. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So this is our AI signal on Bitcoin. We actually take a step back and go back to past cycles. You can see here, back in October, around October 10th or so, Bitcoin was at 11K. We had a bullish signal from our AI. Then it called the top here at about 50K. Then here it had a fake out. Then it called the top here. And guess what? If you followed our AI signal back on May 2020, you would have saved a lot of money. You would have avoided that L. If we take a step back in time even more, same thing, past cycles. We had this bullish signal here, February 2019, at about under 4K. Got you out of it at about 10K on July 2019. And guess what? Because now we have a data source, a fire hose of data that nobody else in crypto has. We have proprietary AI ratings and signals we've been building. We spend millions of dollars doing all this, and we're about to unleash it with TM AI. I got into crypto back in October 2016. Bitcoin was around $600 to $800. It was kind of hovering. Obviously, it's tough. It's very tough to call everything perfectly. It's tough doing it as a human, let alone as an AI. But look at this. We had a bullish signal here, October 2017, at about 4,300, and we called a bearish top at about 13.5K before the market went down. And we have this for thousands of tokens now on our platform. We've added price predictions, because I know you all love price predictions. Guess what? Nobody has price predictions like we do. And we have this for a lot of tokens, and we're adding more tokens. So for instance, if you think the total crypto market cap as a whole is going to 7 trillion, and Bitcoin is currently at 97K, our price prediction says the bear case, Bitcoin goes to 148K, base case, 174K, moon case, almost 200K Bitcoin. But what if you think the whole market as a whole is going to 14 trillion? What if you're a moon boy or moon gal? How high can that go? This is the power of our proprietary AI. It says Bitcoin, if the market as a whole goes to 14 trillion market cap, bear case, 252 Bitcoin, base case, almost 330 Bitcoin, moon case, over $405,000 in BTC. So imagine having all of this for thousands of tokens. Just think about that. Imagine having all of this for thousands of tokens, whether it's our price predictions, whether it's our bullish signals, whether it's the trader grade, which lets you see exactly when our signals and grades are turning bearish and bullish. All this is proprietary data. This is our secret sauce. Nobody has this. Let's do another example. Let's take Solana. Solana made a lot of money last cycle. You could have bought Solana and done over 200x on public markets, on exchanges. So let's take our signal here. First signal was kind of flat for a while. Between under a penny to a dollar, about $2. First signal here about 250. Bearish here. Went choppy for some time. Turned bullish again at about $33. Bearish here. Bought back in. Bearish here. And look at this. Avoided that L, that sharp drop. And if you look at the P&L here, if you hodled, so you'd have had 75x. But one of the reasons why we also like having AI tell us when to get in or get out of a token. But all of you who were here last cycle, you remember Terra Luna. It was a top 10, top 20 market cap project at one point in time. And just like that, it dropped and fell off a cliff. And guess what? Our AI helped you avoid one of the biggest L's in crypto. If you followed it. Look at this. It called a bearish signal April 11th, 2022 at $84.66. Then about a month later, it fell off a cliff. This is why you have to have data. Data and the power of AI is the future. But enough about all this. We have our AI indices that go through, because the way Tokenmetrics works, the way TM AI works is it gets as much data as possible from market data to social data, quantitative data, on-chain data. Our AI goes through, gives it a grade, a holistic grade. These are basically the ratings we have. We have over 15,000 tokens, and about, I would say, a third of them or more have grades, trader grade, our own secret trader grade, bullish signals, different exchanges, different sectors, and we go through, give you the signals, the price predictions. We can also abstract all that and just spoon feed you the best trades right now with our trader indices across different platforms, different exchanges. And we also have our investor indices for those of you who are more long-term investors. But in crypto, it's very tough to invest because right now there's a lot of sector rotation. So whether it's meme coins, whether it's AI agents, all this data, you guys have had a chance to go out there, try and use it and make a lot of money with it.